Welcome to the RelayGram instruction manual. Now, RelayGram is a software which allows you to basically forward messages from anywhere to anywhere within Telegram. This includes your private groups that don't allow you to download or forward messages. You'll be able to forward them. Of course, I only recommend doing this if you own the content, just to not go against the rules of Telegram. Now, to get started, you put your Telegram app ID, which is also the same thing that you had when you came to this page over here, the download RelayGram page. You click 3-day trial. You had to enter something here, and the way to get this number was to click on this link here, and then you will end up getting a app ID. So if you click that, you'll be taken to a page where you put your phone number, confirm it, and then you will be receiving your app ID. And the only way to do this is by actually creating an app. And let me just show you how that's done. Now, the way to do this is you click on API Development Tools. You'll see something like that on that screen. And then you go to your app. And once you've pasted your auth code, which is the one that we originally gave you, it's also the app ID. You paste it in this box, and as soon as you enter it, this will pop up, step 1. So you've finished step 2, you've authorized your app, you have 3 days to use it from the moment you download it, and now you need your API hash, and to get it, you just have to click here, and it will take you back to your app, where the one you created earlier, and you could just call it anything and give it like a 6-letter short name, and then you get your API here, put it here, and your phone number here, and that's it. You can save your Telegram credentials into the system, and now let's see how it works. Fantastic. Once you enter your information, it will automatically fetch your chats for you, all the chats and the groups you're in, and now you have the option to add a Gemini API key. To do this, you just click this link here, which will open up Gemini, and then it will take you to a page where you can create an API key. To do that, you just click Create API Key, and in no time, you'll be given one. So I clicked Create, and then you click Create API New Project, and then you can copy it directly from over here at the bottom of my screen here. Let me just zoom out of it. Right here, if you click here, you can copy it and then paste it into this box here and click Save. Fantastic. Lastly, you can do how often we check for messages over here. Maybe 10 seconds is good. You don't want to overwork your system. And that's it. You click Save App Settings, and we are good to go. We are ready to start forwarding messages. Now, if you click this now, you'll note that you're not able to do anything because there's no rules yet. So to create a rule, you click Add Rule, and then you can choose from any of the groups that you have over here from 2. So let's say you have a private group that you own, and then you type the rule is translate to Japanese. Group rule, you can call this whatever you want, and then you choose the destination. Let's choose the Chinese group, and we want to forward messages with all content, and we don't want to forget to translate to Japanese, and click OK, and then that's it. We just click service controls, start forwarding, and then if we go here and we click on our private group, hello everyone, and then we go to our Chinese group, in no time there's going to be a new message which is in Japanese. Let's give that a second, and here we are. Thank you for watching. Oh, I'm in the way, sorry. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions about it, just ask them in the comment section, and we will make a new video to explain everything better. Bye for now, everyone.